Alright, hello everyone. So again, I want to confirm that you know how to use integration by parts formula correctly. So let's just do couple of examples to make sure that we know what we are doing. Alright, so here we have an integral to solve and then u is given to us. Okay, so then what is dv? Again, what is dv? Everything except u. So u is x plus 1, so dv is cosine x dx. Don't just take cosine and write that is dv. It should come with the dx because this is a differential. Okay, all right, now you know dv. Now let's write down the integration by parts formula. It's uv minus v du, right? Okay, so we know we know dv. Now find v. So what is v out of dv? Now to get v out of dv, we integrate cosine. If we integrate cosine, we get sine. Okay, all right, now we need du. To get du, you have to differentiate u. So du over dx is derivative of x plus 1 is 1. So du is dx. Don't forget dx. Okay, so we have everything that we need for the formula. Let's fill out the formula. So u is x plus 1, v is sine x, minus v is sine x. What is du? Dx. Okay, now you check this integral whether you can simplify it or not. Can you simplify it? No, right? There's only sine x. So okay, now let's just integrate sine x. So if you integrate sine x, you get negative cosine x. That negative and this negative, this become plus. So this is plus cosine x plus arbitrary constant c. So this is the answer. Okay, let me do another example. So x to the 4 natural log x dx. Let me say u is natural log x. Don't worry how I choose that one. We will learn that in next video. Okay, u is natural log x. Now what is dv? dv is everything else except natural log x, which is then x to the 4 and dx. Don't forget dx. Okay, that's the definition of differential. All right, now the formula is uv minus v du. We know u, we know dv, we want to know v. So to get v out of dv, we integrate. So if we integrate x to the 4, we get x to the 5 over 5, right? Okay, now we know we need du. So to get du, we differentiate u. Du over dx is derivative of natural log x is 1 over x. So du is 1 over x dx, right? Okay, so we know everything that we need. Let's use them in the formula. U is natural log x, v is x to the 5 over 5, right? Minus here v is x to the 5 over 5 times du is 1 over x dx. Now check whether you can simplify this integral or not. Well, we can. 1x will cancel out, right? So do that please. So x to the 5 over 5 natural log x. If you cancel out 1x, you get x to the 4 over 5 dx. Okay, so here x to the 5 over 5 natural log x. Now what do you get if you integrate x to the 4? You get x to the 5 over 5, but you already have a 5 here. So that 5 and this new 5 from the integration will multiply, right? Okay, so 5 times 5, 25. So remember that. Don't do a mistake like don't write it like 10 here. Don't add 5 and write like 10. Okay, it's multiplication. 5 times 5, 25. So this is the answer. We are done with integration. So that is how you use integration by parts formula correctly. Now the only question that we have left is, well, how to choose u. We will learn that in the next video. Okay, all right, thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.